Newcastle upon Tyne is famous for its bridges. The iconic Tyne Bridge, built in 1928, looking like its bigger brother the Sydney Harbour, is based on that 1912 Hell's Gate Bridge in America. However, way down almost at water level is the Swing Bridge, completed in 1876. It replaced an earlier fixed crossing on the site of the Roman Pons Aelius. As the Industrial Revolution gathered pace, the riverside factories in Scotswood and Elswick, west of the city, produced ever larger machines. The old bridge was a constraint to shipping navigating this point. The answer was to create a bridge that would pivot around a central point to allow any size of ship, then envisaged, to pass. It was designed and built by William Armstrong, using his pet power source, hydraulics. Water is pumped into an accumulator that is later discharged through machinery to turn the bridge. The idea is that the energy required is spread over time, so less power is used. Once the energy is stored, it can be released in a sudden burst, many more times powerful than the original source. The controls are in a cupola over the roadway, with the machinery on and below the central pier. The moving span is 85.6 metres long, that's 281 feet, and is able to rotate a full circle. The joints where the span meets the road are curved to allow the rotation. On both the Newcastle and Gateshead sides there are 4 pillars, but there is a curiosity on the southeast end. This pillar is sliced in half. It had to accommodate a factory building that existed here. The half pillar abutted its wall. This factory was demolished during the preparations for the Tyne Bridge. A national survey in 2020 put the Tyne Bridge at the top. However, a local poll around the same time resulted in the Swing Bridge being voted the region's favourite, losing out to Robert Stevenson's 1849 high level. In 2018, the Port of Tyne Authority spent £200,000 replacing wooden decking and other worn parts. Let's hope that this quirky riot of Victorian engineering continues to serve the North East for many years to come.